Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Apple iPhone 6 Plus smartphone. In this video, you will learn how to stop screen mirroring in your phone Apple iPhone 6 Plus. I have done already screen mirroring from my phone to TV. Okay. If you want to stop this screen mirroring, what you have to do is swipe up from the bottom of the screen and then go to this icon, that is screen mirroring icon, and click on stop screen mirroring, and immediately screen mirroring will be stopped. Now I go home. So in this way you can easily stop screen mirroring. You can also go back in your TV. Just go back and it will ask you to terminate this application, or it will ask you to run in background. Click on terminate, yes, and it will just entirely go back. Yes, it's done. So in this way you can easily stop screen mirroring to your phone, Apple iPhone 6 Plus. That's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.